This is lot number 1806-1. It was 82 of these canisters shipped to FGF in the last container. We are attempting to duplicate Matt's application on this particular piece of laminate, and then we'll do our recommended method on the next piece. We're going to apply this and we're going to let this dry for 2 minutes.
Yeah, because she told me to put it on my head. This is an emergent request of my card. So I would know now the number. And she's indicated on there, she would ask me to indicate on the form, request a verbal confirmation from them. So I know, like, when it happens. So I'm not guessing. I'm not.
2 minutes. Dry to the touch. We're doing a diamond application here to get more edge or pull instead of pulling straight up. And that's a pretty darn good bond. Now we're going to do the second. We're going to let it dry for 4 minutes. And the reason we're going to let it dry for 4 minutes is to show that even though it's dry for 4 minutes, we still will get a good bond. This is the recommended application for the LCN product. We'll dry it for 4 minutes. One minute. Again, we didn't have a lot number of the product that Matt was spraying. That was an older lot and had been returned to inventory after the expiration of the retained time, and it was shipped against an order. When Matt returns the sample, we will test it at that time. 2 minutes. And when we get that sample back, we'll do a video of that sample as well.
I'll give it a 10. I'll give it a 10.
Good ones to do.
That's how much time's left. We'll count it down.
3 minutes. Four minutes. Dry to the touch, totally. Looks like a pretty good bond. Very similar to the other bond as well, so it appears that both applications are adequate to do an appropriate bond.
The only potential explanation that I can think of as to why the adhesive may perform differently under a controlled environment than it does in the UK, we're not seeing those results. Possibly temperature and humidity. If it's cooler and more humid, the adhesive may blush, causing condensation on the glue line, which would keep the two films from bonding together. If that happens, it's just a matter of a little longer dry time. Even though the film feels dry to the touch, there could be moisture trapped. It's really all I can come up with as to why we're seeing a difference here in a controlled environment versus what you're seeing there.